Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a ginormous haul from my friend Brenda's Instagram little shop that she goes by Zavala1354. I'll have her link down below. You guys know that I always do hauls from her. She sells amazing things for super affordable prices, so if you guys haven't checked her out, you definitely should, because she offers free shipping after $20. Her shipping is super fast, and you guys have to check out her lots. It's just amazing. And a lot of my stash I owe to her little shop because she has really built my stash up. If you guys saw my Christmas hauls, oh my god, I had so much, and I'm going down that same road with her through Valentine's. So I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up with her. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this Maggie Holmes confetti chipboard. And look how pretty, you guys. I had this before and I went through it, so I'm so glad that I have another one. And then I also got this chipboard from her, which is from the Chasing Dreams, which I got a hold of the collection, but I never got a hold of the chipboard stickers. So I was glad to see that she had it available. I love this little girl. She's definitely hoarding status. So I got those two. And then I also picked up these epoxy stickers from the Hello Love collection. And that's what they look like. I got some more stuff from the Main Squeeze collection. I got the puffy stickers. I got some more ephemera. I got these stickers with some word stickers in the back. Love these. And then I got the paper pad. I got some word stickers from the Hello Love. And then we got some cardstock stickers from the Main Squeeze collection as well. We got some embellishments from the Heart Day collection. Some more cardstock stickers from Heart Day. And then we got two cut aparts from the Heart Day collection. How cute are these? And then that's the other side. So we got two of those. And then I also got the chipboard for the Heart Day collection. And then I got from the Doodlebug collections, I got Cream and Sugar, paper pad. I'm not going to go through it because I have a lot to show you guys. So I got the paper pad to that. Of course, the odds and ends, the die cuts. And what else? I think I got the mini icons and the cardstock stickers. And that's all for the Cream and Sugar collection. And then I got their new collection that came out, which is So Punny. And this is some of the 12 by 12s. So we have this one. They're all double-sided. So cute. Got this one. And that's the other side. We got this one. And then we got some cut aparts, which are so cute because they're like Valentine's Day cards. I love these. And we have this one and this one, and this is what they look like on the other sides. I love Doodlebug, guys. Doodlebug is so cute and girly. It's one of my favorite companies as well. We got the So Punny die cuts. We got the mini icons. And then the Chit Chat die cuts. The paper pad, of course. I love this. The cardstock stickers. And then I got a bunch of Doodle Pops, which my daughter is going to die when she sees these. She loves Doodle Pops. I'm going to fix the focus on the top for this. So we have this one, this one. Look at this, you guys. Little pizza. We have this one. The typewriter. We got some little shape sprinkles, little stickers. The eggs and bacon. More little stickers. And these two. Aren't those cute, you guys? And then the washi tape, of course. Oh, that collection is to die for, you guys. And bring the focus back down. So that's what we got so far. Of course, she sent me some little freebies like she always does. She sent me 4 little packs of these little die cuts. Can't wait to go through these. They look so cute. She always throws in little extras for me. I got these wood clips. I'm actually gonna fix the focus because I'm gonna start bringing this stuff up. So I got these cute little wood clips. They say I love you and te amo in Spanish, and I think this is like French. We got some stickers, some Valentine's Day stickers. Some of these We Are Memory Keeper stickers, cardstock stickers. You also get some alphas on the bottom. These pebble stickers. I'm set, you guys, for Valentine's Day. I got this little tree bag she threw in as an extra. I'm gonna do a bag flip out of this. Secret Crush Element stickers by Pink Paisley. Kind of like that vintage look. Cute. Then we got American Crafts accent and phrase stickers. Cute. We got some pink pom-pom trim. Silver washi. Amy Tangerine chipboard frames. These are cool to make shakers with. Heidi Swap acetate words. I love the colors. Definitely could use that for Valentine's Day. We got some Valentine's Day tags. Got some stickers. I wanted these so bad, so I'm super excited. They're so cute. So we got those. Some doilies. You can never have enough doilies. We got some more stickers from Recollections. Look at these stickers, you guys. How cute are those? I love it. We got some pom-poms. Look at these colors, you guys. How cute. I love these especially. A little mix. We got some red decorative, that's the print, washi tape. We got some felt hearts. You can never have too many felt hearts. Heidi Swap wood veneer. Little words. Simply memory today and noted. Got this cute little craft kit. I love the hearts. You get 8 cardstock embellishment pieces, 3 vellum envelopes, 4 felt stickers, 4 chipboard stickers, 4 cardstock tags, 4 foam stickers, 6 gold foil sticker seals, and 16 puffy stickers, and a shaker box embellishment, and the pouch. That's a good deal. I got some Dear Lizzie die cut phrases. The Imaginance die cut shapes. You get all of those. I got some of the Maggie Holmes open book flowers. Some pink tags. Some more little gemstone hearts. Let's see if you guys can see that. I got some of these foam shapes hearts from the Target One Spot. Some Amy Tangerine inflated ephemera. Some more washi. That's what that one looks like. And then we got some glitter corrugated hearts from Target. Can't wait to play with those. We got some more felt hearts. Look at these, you guys, the holograph. Is it hologram? Like hologram? Look at that. Nice variety there. And you guys, look how cute. I love the little faces. And then we got some more. We got gold, pink, and red little hearts. You guys can see that. And then we got some of these little holographic stickers from the Target One Spot. Unicorn, stars, rainbows. We got these cute little wood clips from the Target One Spot. 3 packs of straws. I didn't have any V-Day straws. I'm so excited about this. Some sequins, Valentine's Day sequins. There's some X and O's, hearts, little hearts with arrows. I love this. You get 4 bottles. And I didn't have any Valentine's Day sequins. Then we got the American Crafts XOXO washi tape. We got some ribbon. Look at this ribbon, you guys. So cute. We got some hearts and arrow embellishments. Little acrylic hearts and arrows. Some more little stickers, like clear stickers. We got some cupcake stickers. Some more washi, like little, this is like a little border, the scallops. Some Maggie Holmes leather bows. How cute are these? We got some of these little Valentine wood tiles. How cute are these? They look like the Scrabble letters. Some Recollections little word stickers. Never seen these before. We got a little pack of tags, some mini tags, and some medium tags. Heidi Swapp wood veneer words again. This one says flirt, fun, bella, and laugh. Cute, right? Some more acrylic little words. You guys can see those. We have these cute little stickers. Look at this, you guys. How cute is that? We got the foam little conversation hearts from the Dollar Spot. Another little scotch washi. I like this, the gold stripes. Cute. Almost to the finish line, you guys. We got these puffy stickers with the smiley faces again. These are from Target though. I think the other ones are from Hobby Lobby. We got some spritz little stickers. I'm telling you guys, I am good for Valentine's Day. Some red doilies. And then we got some more hearts. The Dear Lizzie ones. And the American Craft ones. I love the ombre effect on this. So cute. And then last but definitely not least, oh, and I got some baubles from Tim Holtz. How cute are those? I've never seen these. I got some paper pads. I got the Girl Squad by Recollections. I got Ooh La La by Craftsmith. I got Vintage Valentine by the Paper Studio. Forever My Always by Pebbles. And last, Paper Studio, this one's called Love. This one I've been seeing a lot around on Instagram. So pretty. But yeah, you guys, that is my haul. Isn't it amazing? So many goodies. I cannot wait to play. Tonight is going to be V-Day crafting for sure. But you guys definitely need to go check out Brenda. Trust me, you're going to want to shop when you go through her stuff. And if you see something, and just ask her. Just reach out to her, DM her. She answers. You'll get your things, you guys. Definitely check her out. She's amazing. Brenda, thank you so much. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell for my next upload. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.